Hello everyone, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Today we continue to work with this gorgeous dress. In part 1 we built the backrest design with you. Today we will make small changes to the drawing and get the front detail. The most interesting thing awaits us when building a sleeve. Today you will learn how to build an original oversized sleeve that will make any of your items modern and stylish. The main advantage of the cut, which we are currently working on, is that it can be used to create a huge number of various wardrobe items: dresses, trench coats, jackets, cardigans, and etc. So watch carefully and repeat after me every line. This must be done in order for you to succeed. The first thing we do is extend the front slope line. I extend it by 50. From here, we put the centimeter up and draw a parallel line. This will be our working line. Let's name it like this. We build a right angle. The length of the sleeve at the bottom is 32 centimeters. Remember it, here I take 16 centimeters. I have this distance of 16 centimeters. This is a right angle and this is 50. From the beginning of the shoulder here, 1.5 centimeters. The next stage, from point 16, we draw a line up. I hope the logic is clear to you. Divide our armhole by 3. "28 centimeters. 9 is 1/3. One, two, three. All 3 sections of the armhole are equal. Look at this point. The bottom of the armhole. Lay 2 centimeters down from it. Draw a small line and we get this point. It will be green. Now this is the bottom of the sleeve. I divided the armhole by 3 and we have 2 marks. At the bottom mark I put a point and on it I put off 3 centimeters and put a second point with the green marker. And now I will show you how to build a sleeve through all these points. The low point, point 3, section, highest point. Through these points we build a sleeve. At this point we will not reach the line. This point can be raised 4 millimeters higher.
Стройте линию, пока она вам начнет нравиться.
Top of the sleeve. We connect this point to the bottom of the sleeve. This is the front and back pattern, and this is the front and back sleeve pattern. So there will be a fold here, not a seam. I take a blue marker and in this place where the line is 3 centimeters, we put 3 millimeters inward. Now I will draw in blue the difference between the front and the back. The difference between the front of the sleeve and the back of the sleeve. What I'm going to paint in blue now is for the front. And now I will show you how to prepare the pattern to the end. This sleeve is completely new for you. It can be used to create a huge number of various wardrobe items, dresses, trench coats, jackets, cardigans, and etc. And now I will show you how to prepare the sleeve. Fold the paper in half.
Сложить бумагу вдвое. Вот я вам все показываю. так не пойдет.
So what we will do next? Now I will cut
Все проверим. Вырезаю по зеленой.
Okay, now very important part. Check if the sides match. And now on the one side I cut off the blue line.
И с одной стороны срезаю. Вот пишу центр, отмечаю рукава сгиб.
In the place where we cut, right to the front. Sleeve center. Now we start working with the basic pattern.
Два раза отдельно.
I will work separately with the front and back halves. The sleeve is ready and gorgeous, and now the basic. You can work together with the front and back halves, but it's more convenient for me like this.
При раскладке иметь полную выкройку.
Now all your attention here, back. Now, behind the camera, I will cut out the second part, but it will be a little different. I will cut along the blue line.
Передо мной.
You can see back, front. They are identical. The difference is in one small detail.
Передняя.
Front, perfect armhole and gorgeous sleeve.
Рубашечный рукав.
That's it for today. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in our next one. Bye!